Think Renewable is a 2026 award-winning solar and storage company.
Hi, I'm David McElrea, CEO of the Smart Energy Council.
And hi, I'm Warwick Johnston, the founder of SunWiz.
We've partnered to help consumers choose an installer for their solar and storage system.
SunWiz has determined Think Renewable installed more solar power and more batteries last year than most other companies. And Think Renewable is also a local solar hero in the Sydney Sutherland and Shire, Sydney Northern Beaches and Sydney Eastern Suburbs regions.
Of course, business size isn't the only measure you should use when choosing a solar installer. Bigger doesn't necessarily mean better.
Which is why we're happy to report Think Renewable is also among Australia's best rated solar businesses.
As a national company, we heavily rely on the installations from our own internal team. So you're going to get someone from Think Renewable with their name on their shirt coming to do the installation at your home. And I feel that can allow us to make sure the quality's great. More importantly, that they're going to show up, and if there's any challenges, you can get a hold of us.
So we encourage you to buy from Think Renewable. They rank amongst Australia's top tier solar installers.